Hi, Misty here. I want to talk to you now about partnerships. This could be an option for you if you are thinking of going into business with one or more other people. In a general partnership, the partnership is considered a separate entity. However, the general partners are individually liable for the liabilities of the partnership. What a partnership is two or more people getting together to operate as a business with the goal of sharing in profits. Perhaps the scariest aspect of a partnership is that no written agreement there doesn't need to be a written agreement. And the other thing is that you don't even have to discuss even orally that you want to form a partnership. You could unintentionally form a partnership by working with someone along those lines, whereas you have an agreement to share in the profits. Now, what makes that scary is that, like I said, no agreement is necessary so long as the parties are acting accordingly. A court could find that you do in fact have a partnership. The other scary aspect of that is that the partners can bind the general partnership. So say you're partnered up with somebody, you perhaps are unsure of the legal consequences of what you're doing, and your partner's out, getting into all sorts of debt or contracts in the name of the partnership. Then say they take off and they're like, well, I don't want any part of this anymore. They leave you holding the bag, which means that you can be held responsible for everything that your partner has been doing. And so that is perhaps the scariest part of I guess having an unintentional partnership. So I think the moral of the story is it's always best to consult with an attorney. Make sure you have what the agreement is in writing so that all parties are clear on their responsibilities and obligations. But a partnership is certainly a worthwhile entity. As I said, I think it's just best to get in writing. So a lot of smaller businesses, even law firms, accounting firms, they operate as partnerships. So it's pretty popular. It doesn't afford you all of the protections as a corporation, but it can certainly work for you. It just depends, again, on your specific business model and what you intend on doing. So that's a little bit about partnership, and I will be coming out with a video about corporations next.